Here are 3 lids that have nice vertical sides. This one's off a Pringles can. This one's off some Planters nuts. And that's a Cool Whip top or something like that. So these would be the small, medium, and large size circles. And the piece of graph paper, we're going to trace the circle on the middle. Use an old compass to poke a hole in the middle of the disc without stabbing myself, hopefully. And that will help me center the disc on the graph paper. Now I'm going to use a nice sharp pencil, either a 0.5 mechanical, or this is a 2.5 normal pencil, a little harder than normal, and trace the circle, keeping the point right against the lid. There we go. Nice sharp line. Since we centered the disc, we can use the axis here to measure the diameter. You look very closely. You want to measure from the inside of the line straight across to the inside of the next line. Now, it's not always a good idea to use the edge of the ruler, so because it's that first millimeter might be off, so I'm going to go to the 1. Put that just inside the trace, and then I can read on the other side. This is 11.42, but then you subtract the 1, so it is 10.42 centimeters. I'm looking at the inside of this line, and it's in between these millimeter marks, so I'm going to estimate how far in between for maximum precision. That's the diameter. To measure the circumference, we return to the lid and use a piece of paper tape. Wrap it around the lid. Then we mark the position on the paper tape where the end meets the tape. Yeah, nice and snug. Make a mark. Okay, and that's on the inside of this mark. Then we lay the paper tape out on our metric ruler. I'll start at the 1 again, 1 centimeter mark. And you can see that even the medium-sized circle is longer than a foot, so that's why we have a little longer than normal ruler. And then once again, we can measure. This is at 0.18, 34.2, and we subtract 1 away from it. So the circumference of that guy would be 33.1, some estimate.